Life is hard when you do things depending on your mood. So from October, I start to make very strict rules and routines to get my daily life very intentional. So I thought, what are the things I should do to make this year very impactful and effective? Because it's almost end of the 2025, so only 3 months left, and I wanted to make videos about my boring life, but with a cinematic vibes. Because I know I can't do typical vlogs because I don't like them. So I don't have a plan or script, not even a camera to make videos, but those will be all excuses. So I just went out without a story, not even a friend, just myself, my phone, and tripod. You know, when you go out and shoot by yourself, you become so free and like a child playing with his toy. You get that much fun and freedom because you can do whatever you want. So I did that and I shoot whatever comes to my mind. I really love to go out and shoot all by myself, and I don't know, it just feels so good, and all the happiness comes from the inside. It's also helped me to enjoy the nature we've been neglecting all the time around us. Sometimes I feel like doing things alone is a joy. Shooting alone outside is nerve-wracking to me because I get anxious and back of my mind I'm always looking, is anybody out there looking at me? But most of the time nobody cares. So I suggest all of you to do it and look how much enjoyment it brings to your life and to you. So, you know, sometimes it's very necessary to sit back and document your life, because after many years you can look back and see how much fun you had doing all the things alone. So after this video I want to make more videos but with a proper planning. Stay tuned for more and stay happy. See you later.